Hey guys, welcome back to another quick video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to change the oil on your Predator 1400 watt generator. In a previous video, we did an unboxing, we tested this thing, gave you guys my thoughts, and I really enjoyed the generator so far. I've ran it for about 2 hours, and I'm going to go ahead and perform the first oil change. In my opinion, any generator or small engine you get, I would recommend running it a little bit and immediately changing the oil, because these do not have an oil filter or anything like that, so all the leftover materials inside the crankcase of the engines is going to be floating around. So I would recommend change the oil as quick as possible after a good little break-in cycle, and you should get a lot of life out of these. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All you need to change the oil in this is a Phillips head screwdriver. So go ahead and take the side cover off. Okay, this engine does not have a drain plug. The way you drain the oil is you actually drain it through the fill hole. So if you look right here, it's got a little spout, and then right here on the side of the unit, there's a little slit. So what's gonna happen is when you pull this out and tip it, the oil's gonna drain out of here and drain out of this slit. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the fill plug. I've also warmed the unit up to help kind of loosen up any debris. And then you literally have to kind of grab this and just tilt it. So I'm gonna do is pick it up and tilt it over this pan right next to me. Okay, I'm just holding the unit up. Luckily, it's pretty light, so I'm just gonna tip this over and let the oil drain out. And right away, I can see a lot of metallic, shininess in the oil. This unit does not hold a lot of oil, by the way. Ooh. So that's it. I'm just gonna tip it, give it a few more seconds to drip out. Okay, that's it. Okay, what I like to do is I'm gonna take a rag and just kind of wipe some of this up. That way the, dust and dirt doesn't stick to it. Just kind of do the best you can. This little rubber thing's kind of weird. I'm gonna put a little bit of brake clean just to help flush some of that crap out on the little spout deal. All right, that's it. Now we're gonna refill it with oil. And the oil I recommend is this 10W30 full synthetic. I run this stuff because it's cheap and you can get it at Walmart. And the unit does call for 10W30 oil of whatever flavor you want. It doesn't really matter, honestly. Okay, put your funnel in. Remember, don't overfill it. It does not hold a whole lot, not even a quart. This engine's only a 50cc engine, which is kind of funny. It's really small. Oop. All right, so I did overfill it slightly. So if you look, the oil's gonna kind of come out of the little spout. So I'm just gonna let it drain out and make a mess on the ground, I guess. Yeah, I did overfill it a little bit. All right, guys, that's it. So oil's right at the top. Verified it, everything's good. Now go ahead and put your side cover on and you are 100% done. And for those of you wondering, it actually holds 0.26 quarts of oil. I don't know how good that's gonna show up on my phone. There's the picture again to demonstrate the full level of the oil. So just to make it a little more clear. And in the owner's manual, once again, I don't know how good this is gonna show up, but they say change the oil every 100 hours or 6 months. Personally, I'm gonna change it a lot more than that just because how easy it is, and I believe having clean oil in the unit will make it always ready to go. It'll keep the engine as good as, as healthy as possible, make this thing last as long as possible, and get years and years of good service life out of it. So I would recommend doing that. It's very easy. It doesn't take much oil. But that's it, guys. That's gonna do it for this video. Let me know if you guys got something out of this. Let me know if you guys have questions on your generator, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.